That's really cool. This one is really cute though. I'm thinking I should put the chains on it.
Yeah, look at stuff.
Just leave it by itself.
It's mad.
Let it be. And I'm gonna place the transfer foil on this. Get using the tweezer on the side right there, right there. Bless you. Let's see. It came right off for us. It's so cute. Mika, did you see that? She's asking about this earlier. Alright, so this one will drop variables in a little bit after the live tutorial, which I want all of you to get to see it first. So if you can leave it alone, you want to leave it alone, it's great. If you don't want to, you can absolutely do something else. I don't know, I really like this, but let me see. I'm gonna do something else on that one. There's so many I'm never not having enough to share with you. Okay, so my weaver gels, I'm using a shimmering silver, and let's play with this and see how it turned out for us. Should we do a red one? Silver. Doesn't matter, you can do white, silver, blue.
Silver.
Do silver. And I have just simply, it's just toothpicks, and you can do 4 or 5 of them taped together. Just really simple way, and you can see me did it all the time. I'm sharing a tip and trick. If you want your weaver gel to be thin, just really dip it in just really quick and pull the strings. It likely, if you want to be thicker, you want to hold your strings a little bit thicker. But I just want just a little bit thinner. The reason it is because I still want to see my my cute heart background. All right, so let's move to the next step. I'm gonna flash clear this for 30 seconds. Keep touching the gel. And move this one on the side. Right there. Oh, okay, that's okay. And now we're gonna do some crystal placements. Maybe my rose gold. Let me wrap this one out here. I really want to do this star for you though. You want to see this star to be done?
That now?
And rose gold. We should do rose gold. You know what? Obsidian. It's gonna be really cute though.
Yeah, this one you should do something really nice and big.
Huh?
With that background, you want something nice and big.
Nice and big. What do you want to see, everyone?
All the big stone you got.
The big stones I got. I got everything for everyone. So I'm looking for my... Hey, can you help?
Yeah, hold it over.
I don't know why he's asking for bigger things. Which one do we have?
You got red, you got blue. A little
No.
more circular?
I need the different colors though.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I always do with neon. Again.
Like, you try some of these.
Huh?
Big. Yeah, this is solid. Stand out.
I know, I always love the neon though.
Nice and bright. You won't go wrong with it.
Okay, now we'll do something fun with this. Because it has such a really nice background. Hold on one second.
There you go. Six.
You need to pick it up. John.
Yeah, I will.
Sorry, everyone. 1,000 things dropping on like around me. Okay, I think I dropped the chrome that I want to show everyone. It feels weird because today I would think I am so organized. I swear with everyone. And in the minutes that we start live, you don't want to have everything spread on my side, which is it's okay. Your live video and what we get to share together and learn together is all is matter. Anything else is not a big of a deal. All right, so it's funny. If you just seen a few minutes ago when we start live videos, my space here is spotless. And now it looks a big mess, but it's okay. All right, so I'm gonna using my condensed glue gel. It's really thick density. You can see it right here. Upside down. Oh, it never spills anything at all. Okay, on this side. And I don't know why it doesn't, I think because we have 5 phones together and stuff. So that's why it just, I'm trying to make, oh, do you want to see this one? Look at the matte top coat or we shouldn't, huh?
No.
Should we?
No.
All right, no wipe top coat. Hugh is so old school and old fashioned. He will see everything in shiny. Hugh, I think
I
he,
told you to do that.
did you want to do matte?
I told you to do that on the other one.
No, he can't help it with this one. He want to see it shiny. He's so old school way. Everything have to be shiny. So just okay.
Sure, blame everything on me.
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here someone has to take that blame. Oh, we're not taking it. You ought to take it. Right, ladies? We gotta get someone to blame on. All right, no white top coat on the top, but however, if you want matte, go for it. I can't wait to see your matte look. All right, so yesterday we did the radiance cut and oh, how was this? Oh, too bright. How was it?
Yes, make crown. Yep. So for our precision glue, it's gonna be our third step. So it's gonna be a little bit later where we precision glue everything.
Hold on, I forgot
Hmm?
something. I forgot the frame. But
Right here?
if you are forget your frame, I need this. Let's go.
Close it
If you are just in case you forget your frame, you can also frame it with your beads over here.
Need to try.
Okay, so this one I have. Let me see what I got in here.
Yep, and make crown. If you want to, there's plenty of video on IGTV. All you need to do is just go in for precision glue gel. There should be like a ton of them up there everywhere.
Never go shortcut. I put that first, and I realized I forgot it.
Okay.
So it's okay. Put it back in. And I want my banner ready. Can you get that one for me? I just need to wipe that. It's okay, I got another one. I'm swear with you, today is one of really a weird day. Doesn't matter. I prepared so well. I'm swear with you. But hey, it's okay. Sometimes I think it doesn't turn out the way we expecting, especially was expecting a high expectation. And guess what? It still go bell on me. And I do not care because after this live video, we want to have a really cool ton of different cool video tutorials that we can watch it later. all the beautiful nails that we're gonna learn from each other is matter to me. So I am adding some, I have rose gold frames for that drop, but also I have the silver frames for this little cute neon crystal. This is my neon. I mix them all together because it's convenient for me, and then it's great for me to travel. Yeah, it's getting a little bit too busy. You think that probably because I'm like didn't take a break? I should have. After we're done, I'm working with my other job, and I didn't take a break. I go right because I'm so excited. But then before we just start, then I have the quick meeting, so that's why. Just tell you to my regular routine. But it can't stop me from not going online to share with you all the cool tip and trick. It's so stunning. Alright, so weird because let me move that. I got it. I think I need the beads though. Hey, wrong one. Wrong one.
You mean wrong one?
I need the silver beads.
Or you want rose gold bead?
No, I want silver beads. Right here. No, it's underneath. Hey, everyone, this will be maybe 3 hours live tutorial. So, just kidding. Even like, I was teasing with Ali and me guys. And like, even you're watching my live tutorial and then maybe even you're like tired, totally fine. You can take a nap and come back. I'm still be here. It's okay. All right. So is here the tip and tricks for beginners who start doing crystal placements. You can place your beads right between of the frames or the crystals. It was not only make it looks full finished, looks like you are setting your jewelry. Also, it keeps the crystal is really bonding and stay tight together. What do I do? Show one. Or maybe, you know, do you have a day like this? My brain probably processing things faster than my body physical can do. So I might be ahead of the game. Then my body, wait a minute, Nancy, what are you doing? I can't catch what you're doing. I'm like that someday, just be honest. So I might have to slow down. You think? Or I might, it's like, keep thinking of my brain like, oh my god, after my live video I got like salted caramel gelato waiting for me on the freezer that I want to get. That's my reward for after live video. Alright, so
Make sure they line up.
look it really cute, right? But if you don't like it, totally fine. You can add some colors, like you can do other colors. You can do pink, you can do blue, you can do green, you can do like orange, however color you prefer, because the reason is I didn't want to take away from that background away, so that's why I get that on. All right, so I'm gonna wipe up on the end of the nails, or the sides of the nails, to remove all that excess like condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat.
Ready? Show this one.
All right.